number 3. Let's hear my story.
Ayan and his family went on a forest safari. They found 3 lions resting together under a shady tree. One lion yawned loudly, making the boy giggle. He whispered, "I see 3 lions. 1, 2, 3." The lions stayed calm, enjoying the warm sun.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.